honest reality. Waveform QuadPro 4x4 MIMO signal boosting panel transforms internet.
Ever wonder why your 5G home internet still feels like you're back in the dial-up era? Here's the truth. Your router's buried inside walls that block 80% of the signal before it even reaches you. While you're paying for blazing speeds, you're actually getting a fraction of what's traveling through the air just outside your window. That weak connection isn't your fault. It's physics working against you every single day.
Picture your daily reality. You're in the middle of that critical work video call when your screen freezes. Again. Your kids are complaining, the stream keeps buffering. You've moved your T-Mobile, Verizon, or AT&T gateway to every window in your house, searching for that magical spot where you get more than 2 bars. You've restarted it 17 times this week. Meanwhile, you're watching that spinning loading circle more than you're actually working, creating, or relaxing. Your building materials, brick, stucco, energy-efficient windows, metal siding, are literally blocking the 5G signal your router desperately needs. Every wall between you and the nearest tower is stealing speed, stability, and your peace of mind. You know there's a powerful signal out there because your phone works fine outside, but inside, it's like your gateway is wrapped in a signal-blocking blanket. There has to be a better way.
Then everything changed when people discovered the Waveform QuadPro 4x4 MIMO signal boosting panel antenna kit. Here's what actually works. Don't just pick any external antenna. Make sure it has true 4x4 MIMO technology with all 4 cables and cross-polarized elements, so you never experience that sinking feeling of watching your connection drop during important moments again.
This isn't just an antenna. It's your gateway's missing superpower. The QuadPro reaches outside, past every signal-blocking wall, grabbing that clean cellular signal with up to 9.1 decibel isotropic gain across every 4G and 5G band, from 600 MHz to 6,000 MHz. Those 4 independent data streams multiply your throughput potential, while the directional panel focuses only on your tower, rejecting interference from every other direction. Users report transformations from unusable 3 megabits per second crawls to consistent 150 plus megabits per second speeds. That's the difference between constant buffering and seamless 4K streaming, between frozen video calls and crystal clear professional presence, between upload times measured in frustrating minutes and satisfying seconds. The complete kit includes everything: 20-foot low-loss cables, window entry pass-through so you never drill holes, adapters for virtually every gateway, and mounting hardware that makes installation a simple weekend win. Listen to what real users are experiencing. One rural homeowner shared, "Signal went from minus 108 decibel milliwatts, barely connecting, to minus 85 decibel milliwatts, rock solid. My T-Mobile speeds jumped from unusable 3 megabits per second to consistent 150 plus megabits per second. This literally saved my ability to work from home." A telecommunications engineering blog noted the technical excellence. Phase coherence and isolation between elements often yield more stable modulation rates and higher QAM, directly translating to faster speeds. Another user reported, "My Verizon connection transformed from unusable for Zoom to professional-grade stable. Ping dropped 40% and lag spikes vanished completely." Even wireless networking experts confirm the QuadPro delivered the most consistent performance gain in controlled testing, industrial-grade build quality with true turnkey installation. Tens of thousands of AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile customers have already made the switch. The proof isn't in promises, it's in signal meters, speed tests, and stable connections that finally just work. Imagine tomorrow morning your video calls crystal clear, your uploads instant, your streaming flawless. No more router roulette, no more signal anxiety. Just the fast, stable internet you're already paying for, finally delivered. Join thousands already living this reality with the Waveform QuadPro 4x4 MIMO Signal Boosting Panel Antenna Kit. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Just click and see for yourself how simple it is to transform weak, frustrating signal into the powerful, reliable connection you deserve. Your better internet is waiting outside. See you on the other side.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.